All right, guys. So welcome, hello, welcome to a new year. This is Mr. Nat. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub. It's a new year, guys. And guess what? I'm going to begin my year in a very pleasant way. Okay, I'm giving out all my classes. I have, is it 5 or 4 classes now? Okay, I'm going to be listing them. Okay, so anyone you are interested in, just the links to my WhatsApp group will be in the description below. Any of the class you are interested in, just click the link, join me on WhatsApp. All right, we'll go on from there. All my number is on the screen there. You can chat me up. All right. So first is our safari suit class, guys. Safari suit class. And believe me, guys, these classes are very cheap. It's not even up to 5,000. Okay, I'm making it that cheap. All right. My safari suit class. If you're interested, chat me on WhatsApp. Let me know. All right. And mind you, guys, my classes from the beginning to the end, I am there with you. The videos are there, but after watching them, if you have questions, I'm always there. You ask questions, I put you through anything you want. All right. The cutting, the drafting, the gumming, the lining, everything. Okay. And then my suit class, my suit master class, guys. Guys, if any of you is watching me right now and you've been part of my suit classes for last year, I think your comment will help a lot. Okay, drop it in the comment section and let people know that this thing is real. It's simple. I have some images. Okay, you can see these ones are the images of some persons that have done the practicals before, safari suit. You can see them. All right, so my suit master class is ready. That is class number 2. All right, so also, if you want the 2 classes together combined, there's still a discount. If you are buying the 2 classes at once, I'm giving you 1,000 naira discount. Believe me, guys, you wouldn't want to miss any of my classes at all. All right, guys. And also quickly, I've started a new channel where I'm teaching people how to start and grow their YouTube channels. The experience I've acquired on this channel for this number of years, I'm sharing it. Okay, so if you want to be part of that channel, this is the channel. Okay, the link will be in the description below. Click the link also, and you can join me on the channel where you learn how to also grow your YouTube channel, right? So course number 3 is vintage shirts. I said the course are 5, right? Course number 3 is what? Vintage shirt, guys. All sizes for children, just name it. On this class, you will master the art of what? Vintage shirt. All right, making a vintage shirt. Okay, so if you're interested, what are you waiting for? The link below, click it and join me. All right, so which one next? Okay, the 4th class is what? Plain trousers. Okay, you guys finished. You can see I've done a series on how to cut and sew a plain trouser, but on this class you're going to learn much more than that. Okay, I'm going to be teaching different techniques. Okay, it depends on what you have interest in. Okay, but it's a standard suit trouser. Okay, so if you're interested in this class, also the link is in the description below. Click it. All right, if you're interested in this class, also chat me up. Like I said, there's a number on the screen. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, or you can click the link in the description below to join my WhatsApp group. From there, you can tell me what you want and I will add you up to the class. Okay, which class is left? I'll talk about the safari suit class. I'll talk about the vintage shirt class. I'll talk about the plain trouser class. I'll talk about the suit class. Guys, there's still one class remaining. I'm forgetting one class. All right. So if you're interested in all these classes, what are you waiting for? Chat me up, let me know, and I will add you up. All right. So welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Guys, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the new channel, subscribe to all my channels. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So see you in class. Anyone that's interested, see you in class. Thank you.